configuration.
Hey, Element, it's easy to draw electron configurations.
Okay, Element, first thing you gotta know is what an orbital is. An orbital is the place in an atom where you're most likely to find an electron, and they are s, p, d, and f orbitals.
Okay, so electron configuration is basically a description of how the electrons are distributed among the orbitals surrounding an atom. A couple steps to go through in order to write an electron configuration. The first step is to find the total number of electrons present, which can be determined by its electron number and the charge. 2 is to fill the orbitals according to the filling rules, which we will explain in a minute. And 3 is to determine if it is a core or outer electron. And 4, determine whether it is either paramagnetic, which has a lone electron, or diamagnetic, which has no lone negative.
So in order to find the electron configuration, you have to know Aufbau's principle, Pauli exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. Aufbau's principle states that you fill the lowest energy levels before filling the highest energy levels. This energy filling diagram shows the order in which you fill the orbitals. So then, in order to fill out an energy level diagram, you use Pauli exclusion principle, which states that each orbital has 2 electrons of opposite spins. And then Hund's rule states that each orbital has 1 electron before it is doubly filled.
For example, we can use copper. Copper has 29 electrons, and according to Aufbau's filling rules, it uses all of these orbitals. The nearest noble gas is argon, making 4s1 and 3d10 the outer electrons. If we're going to make a box diagram, we would fill each orbital with 1 electron first. And then according to Aufbau's rule, we would then fill the 3d orbital because it is a lower energy level. Because not each orbital is filled with 2 electrons, copper is paramagnetic. But what if copper gained an electron? This would make copper an anion. Now you could fill the 4s orbital, making it diamagnetic. Come here, lost element. Do you remember how many electrons you have?
I think 24.
Chromium!
That means that your nearest noble gas would be argon, and your noble gas configuration would be
Argon 4s1, 3d5. Your noble gas box diagram has 1 electron in each orbital, making you paramagnetic.
Woo! Thank you.
You're welcome.